Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a user on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have too many users or you have someone who doesn't really use your Nintendo Switch 2 anymore. How do you actually go ahead and delete them? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and access System Settings. And then you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Users. So click on Users. Next, you want to click on the user you want to delete. So we're going to go ahead and delete this white Pikmin here. Next, scroll down and click on Delete User. Next, click on the checkbox that says Delete. Then click on Next. And then scroll up and click on Delete This User. And then you can see that there's a prompt that says Successfully Deleted User. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a user on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.